What's up YouTube, Naomi here, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm coming to you with a product review. Before we get into the video, make sure you are hitting that subscribe button. You don't even have to go anywhere. It is watermarked for you in the bottom. Just click that watermark and hit subscribe. Make sure you also turn on those notifications so you know when I post new videos. So let's get into the video. So today I used my Not Your Mother's Naturals Tahitian Gardenia flower and mango butter line from start to finish, with the exception of my gel styler. So I actually did use their shampoo and conditioner. It's a curl defining conditioner as well as shampoo. And my first thoughts were that it smelled really good. I like the way that the shampoo suds up in your hair. It made me feel like I was getting a good clean, but also did not feel like I was getting all the moisture stripped out of my hair, so that was a plus for me. I was a little hesitant when it came to the conditioner. It just seemed really light, and it seemed like it wasn't going to coat my strands the way that I like it to. But once I actually applied it to my hair and ran my fingers through it, it had so much slip. I was actually really shocked. And it actually made it really easy to detangle my hair. I detangle my hair with a wide tooth comb first and then go in with my tangle teaser, and it was so easy to style my hair. I used the curl defining detangler first and the curl defining combing cream. My initial reaction to these two products, I never buy detanglers ever. I also never buy spray-on products. The detangler is a spray-on product. You spray it onto your hair, and let me tell you guys, it literally made my hair, the tangles in my hair just melted. I was going through with my Denman brush, as you guys will see, and it was just so easy. It was really shocking. Like I said, I never buy spray-on products because it always makes my hair feel like paper. And even though this is only a detangler, it actually did add some moisture to my hair. So that's a plus for me. And then the combing cream. The combing cream is really moisturizing. My hair got so defined with just these products without any kind of styler, and it was overall, it was just a really great experience. Okay, so my initial impression is actually really good. So this is the first time I am trying these together. I never go for detanglers like this, but this actually made detangling my hair really easy. I think that both of these products do really define my curls. I also shampooed and conditioned with the same line. And overall, I think it's doing a really good job. I think my hair is really defined. It has lots of shine. Even before adding my styling gel, it's really defined and really shiny. So I think this is going to be a really successful wash and go. I am going to go sit under my hooded dryer until my hair is dry, and then I'll be back to show you guys the results. All right, guys, I am back from sitting underneath the dryer, and you can see my hair. It is so defined and so curly and so soft, and it smells delicious. Like, it smells so good. I am in complete shock. I genuinely did not think my hair would turn out this good. My hair does do well with a lot of products. However, sometimes, even if my curls look good, my hair just looks kind of dry because I do have color in it. But not this. My hair does not look dry. It's not dry. It looks really good. I love the definition. I love the volume. I literally just got out from underneath the dryer. I picked my hair out a little bit, but like barely. And this is the amount of volume that I have. This product is definitely something that I think that you should try. All right, guys, and that is it for this product review. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Turn on those notifications if you have not, so you know when I post a new video, and I'll see you guys next time.